The term geometry comes from the Greek, meaning shape of the earth, meaning it encompasses everything on earth. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the shape, size, position, and relationship between objects in space, as points, lines, angles, plane figures, and solid figures. Next, okay, here we will discuss four topics. First, basic geometry. Second, polygon. Third, geometry. And the last, congruence and similarity. Okay, first, basic geometry. Boleh next. Okay, the basis of geometry here is point and line. Do you know what is point and lines are? Okay, first, point. A point is an abstract concept that is intangible or shapeless, has no size or weight. A point is symbolized by a dot, or in Indonesia is titik. Point names are capital letters, and for example, point A, point C, and others. Uh, and line is an abstract idea that is straight, extends in both directions, and is unlimited. There, there are two Weismann lines. First, lines are represented by a single lowercase letter. For example, line M, line L, and others. And two lines represented by two points are written with a capital letter. For example, line AB, line CD, and others. Next. Okay, next. Plane and space. A plane can be defined as a flat surface that extends indefinitely in all directions and has no thickness. A plane is a three-dimensional shape because it has length and width of a base and height. And space is defined uh, as a geometric element in a three-dimensional context, as it has length, width, and height. One form of spatial model is the geometric geometry model. So the block, so this is block, um, shaped from a rectangle, and while the cup is formed from a square. And the difference between a plane and space is also in their dimensional. And remember, plane is two-dimensional and space is three-dimensional. Mm, okay. Do you know what an angle is? Angle, an angle is an area formed by two rays of light that are not collinear or not lying on a straight line, and concurrent or lines that meet on one intersection point, which coincides at the starting point. So this is a corner AOB or corner for O. And next, some example of types of an angles. One, two congruent angles. Corner AOB. Corner AOB is congruent to corner CPD, or usually written as corner AOB, corner CPD. So angle are said to be congruent if they have the same measure. Um, Next, supplement angles or shades. Corner AOC supplement corner COB or corner COB supplement corner AOC. The sum of supplementary angles is 118 degrees. So next, here first, right angle. A right angle is an angle that is congruent to its supplement and has an angle measuring 90 degrees. Then corner AOC, corner COB, and corner AOC supplement corner COB. Then corner AOC and corner COB are right angles. And column and next complementary angles. A complementary angle is an angle that measures uh, 90 degrees or is also called a right angle. So right angle and complementary angle are right angle that are 90 degrees. So next, acute angle. Acute angle in Indonesia is Sultan shape. And acute angle is an angle the measure less than 90 degrees. And next, obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is an angle whose measure is between 90 degrees and 118 degrees. Next, vertical opposite angles. Therefore, corner AOB equal corner COD and corner AOD equal corner beyond BOC. Corner AOB and corner COD are called vertically opposite angle or vertically angle. Likewise, corner AOD and corner BOC are also vertically opposite angles. And next, look at this picture. There are many corners here. First, one vertical opposite angles. Uh, for example, corner uh, L1 equal corner L3. Uh, and corner L2 equal corner L4. And corner Q1 equal corner C3. And last corner C2 equal corner C4. And next corresponding angle. Uh, for example, this picture, corner L1 equal corner C1, corner L2 corner C2, and corner L3 equal corner C3, and corner L4 equal corner C4. So it's uh, it matches the side. For example, yang corner L1 and corner L1 equal corner C1 are on the right side. So they are corresponding angles. So next three. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles is an opposite corners. For example, L1 and C3 and L4 and C2 but are in the same area or interior. And next, alternate exterior angles. These opposite exterior angles are, for example, corner L2 and corner C4 and corner L3 and corner C1. So these are the angles that are on the outside. And next, same side interior angles. So corner L1 plus corner Q2 equal 118 degrees, and corner L4 plus corner Q3 equal 118 degrees. And the last same side exterior angle. Corner L2 plus corner Q1 equal 118 degrees, and corner L3 plus corner Q4 equal 118 degrees. So next. So these are the various angles. Kalau di Indonesia ini tuh sudut lancip 0 sampai 90, terus sudut lurus itu 180 derajat, kumpul itu 90 sampai 180 derajat, terus itu tuh sudut 90 derajat. Okay, what is a flat shape? A plane figure is a two-dimensional geometric shape that has only length and width without thickness or volume. Outline forming a plane figure on the same plane, which is why it's called flat. Plane shapes are formed by straight lines or curved lines that are connected to each other and form a closed area. In everyday life, we often encounter examples of plane shapes, including first floor tiles. This is square, smartphone screen is rectangular, and traffic warning sign is triangular, and well and wells and wall clock is circular, and the last toy seat is kid seat. Next. Okay, types of planar shapes and their properties. First, square or Indonesia is persegi. A square is a quadrilateral with four sides of equal length and four right angles, or each measuring 90 degrees. A square is a special shape that combines both a rectangle and a rhombus. Properties of square. First, all four sides are equal in length, and next, one quarter of the angles are right angles, or 90 degrees, and next the diagonal are equal in length uh, perpendicular to each other and base each other, and next it has four axes of symmetry, and the last is has rotational symmetry of order 4. For square, areanya itu side multiplied side, and perimeter for multiplied side. Next. So for example, first perimeter. The perimeter of a square is 18 centimeters, so the length of the side is 50 centimeters. For solution, the perimeter of a square equals side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4. Since all sides are equal, the perimeter of a square equal 4 multiplied sides. If the perimeter is 18 centimeters, then the side equals 18 divided by 4 equals 12, 20 centimeters. So area uh, a garden is square with a side length of 12 meters. Calculate the area of the garden. Solution: 5 equals 12 meters, and area equals side to side atau side multiplied side equals 12 multiplied 12 equal 144 meters cube. So the area of the garden is 144 meters cube. Meters square. Next, okay, next which angle or persegi panjang is Indonesia. Uh, a right angle is a quadrilateral with two sides of parallel sides of equal length and four side angles. Unlike a square, it its length and width do not have to be the same. Properties of a right angle: uh, 1 to 1, two pairs of parallel sides of equal length. Two or four angles are 90 degrees. Three, the diagonal are equal in length and by each other, and the last has two axes of symmetry. For each angle, area area is length multiplied width and perimeter uh, multiplied by quantity p added l. And next, okay, for example, perimeter, uh, a rectangular cube is 10 centimeters long and 15 meters wide. What is the perimeter of the field? Solution: P equals 20 meters and L equals uh, 13 meters. And parameter equal to multiplied by x quantity P added L equal uh, 2 multiplied by quantity 20 added 13 equal 2 multiplied 35 uh, equal 70 meters. So the perimeter of the field is 70 meters. The next, okay, triangle or Indonesia is segitiga. Triangle is a plan figure formed by three intersecting straight lines that form triangle. The sum of the three angles in a triangle is always 118 degrees. Triangle can be distinguished by the length of their sides and the size of their angle. Um, Next, such tip such a triangle based on size. One equilateral triangle. All three sides are equal in length. All angles are six, 60 degrees. And two iso isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal in length. And three ordinary triangle, all three sides are different lengths. Now, next, types of triangle based on angle. Uh, right triangle, one angle is actually 90 degrees, and acute angle, acute triangle, all angles are less than 90 degrees, and the last oblique triangle, one angle is greater than 90 degrees. So yeah. Next, okay. For example, area a triangle has a base of 10 centimeter and a height of 8 centimeter. What is the area of the triangle? Solution: A equal 10 centimeter and H equal 8 centimeter. Area is 1/2 multiplied A multiplied H equal uh, a half multiplied 10 multiplied 9 multiplied 8 equal 40 centimeter square. So the area of the triangle is 40 centimeter square. Next, okay. Uh, Next, circle or Indonesia is lingkaran. A circle is a plane figure formed from a collection of points equidistant from a central point. The distance from the central point to the edge is called the radius or r. While a straight line moving through the central point and connecting to points on the edge of the circle is called the diameter, or diameter equals to r. Properties of a circle: 1. It has no corners or straight sides. 2. It has infinity rotational symmetry. And 3. The value of P is the 314 or 22 per 7. So next, okay, number 5, parallelogram or Indonesia is layar genjang. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two parts of parallel sides of equal length, but the angles are not necessarily right angles. A parallelogram is arranged as a general sheet that includes the rectangle and the rhombus as special cases. Properties of a parallelogram: 1. Opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. 2. Opposite angles are equal in measure. And 3. Adjacent angle added up to 118 degrees. And the last diagonal bisect each other. For parallelogram, area is alas multiplied tinggi. Parameter 2 multiplied by 20 PA added B, and next, ini sebelumnya deh. Bisa. Nah, Okay, six rhombus or Indonesia is belah ketupat. Rhombus is yeah. Uh, Six rhombus or Indonesia is belah ketupat. Rhombus is a special parallelogram in which all four sides are equal in length. If two diagonals are perpendicular and bisect each other, the difference from a square is that its angle don't have to be 90 degrees. Properties of a rhombus. One, all four sides are equal in length, and two, the diagonal are perpendicular and bisect each other, and three, opposite angles are equal in measure, and the light has two axes of symmetry. Uh, for area, one half is like diagonal one multiplied diagonal two, and for perimeter, 4 multiplied 5. Next. Okay, as some examples, area around this has diagonal measuring 8 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Calculate its area. For solution, area equal a half multiplied diagonal 1 and multiplied the diagonal 2. Area equal a half multiplied 8 multiplied 20 equal 48 centimeter square. And next, okay, seven kids or Indonesia is layang-layang. A kid is a quadrilateral with two parts of adjacent sides of equal length. One of its diagonal is the axis of symmetry and intersects the other diagonal at right angles, dividing it into two equal parts. A property of a kit, 1 to 5 of adjacent sides are equal in length. 2. One diagonal is the axis of symmetry. 3. The two diagonals are perpendicular and the last part of opposite angle are equal. For area kit, is uh, a half multiplied diagonal 1 and multiplied diagonal 2. For parameter is 2 multiplied by 23 side 1 plus side 2. Next, okay, for example, parameter. If the length of two adjacent sides of a sheet are 7 centimeter and 15 centimeter, what is the key circumference of the sheet? For solution, area uh, parameter equal to multiplied by quantity side 1 plus side 2, and next uh, 2 20 multiplied by quantity 7 centimeter plus uh, 15 centimeter. For parameter is 44 centimeter. Next, okay, I left it to Bella Regency.
Thank you, Siva. Okay, everyone, in this presentation, I will explain about three-dimensional shape and geometry transformation. We will learn about solid shape, their characteristics, volume formula, and also how shape can be moved, rotated, reflected, or resized through geometry transformation. Next slide. So guys, three-dimensional shape are mathematical objects that have three dimensions, length, width, and height. Because they have three dimensions, they also have volume or space inside. This is what makes them different from two-dimensional shape. In everyday life, we can easily find examples such as books, cabinet, ball, and different genres. Okay, next slide. Cool. A rectangle frame is similar to a cube, but its length, width, and height can be different. Therefore, not all sides are equal. It also has six face, 12 edge, and a vertex. Example are books, pencil books, and cabinet. The volume formula is length time width times and height. Next, a prism is a three-dimensional shape with two parallel and congruent bases. The side faces are usually rectangle. There are many kits of primes such as rectangle primes and pentagonal primes. To calculate the volume, we will use the base area multiplied by the height. Okay, next. Prism is a three-dimensional shape that has two parallel congruent face. Sebagai basisnya called the base and the top and the lateral face or rectangle. Uh, next. A pyramid is a three-dimensional shape with on base and triangular shape face. All the triangular face meet at on top point called the apex. A famous example is the Egyptian pyramid. The volume formula is 1/3 times the base area times the height. Next. Cylinder is the three-dimensional shape with two circular base and one curved the side surface. We often see cylinder in daily life, such as befriend chance, piece, and drum. The volume formula is P time radius square time height. Next slide. A cone has one circular base and one vertex at the top is surface surface connect to the base to vertex. Example are party hats and ice cream cone. The volume formula is 1/3 times p times radius squared times height. Next slide. Sphere is a perfectly round three-dimensional shape with a completely surface. Is a sphere has no edge and no vertical. Example for football, basketball, and the earth. The volume formula is 4 third times p times radius cup. Next slide. Next, we will discuss geometry transformation. Geometry transformation is a change is the position, direction, shape, or size of shape uh, coordinate plane. Shape can be moved, rotated, reflected, or resized without changing their basic form. There are four types of transformation: translation, reflection, rotation, and dilatation. Next slide. Translation is moving a shape from one position to another without changing its shape or size. The shape only changes its rotation, such as moving right, left, up, or down. Next slide. Reflection is flipping a shape over a curtain line, such as this X6 or Y6. The result looks like a mirror image. Next. Rotation is turning a shape around a center point by a certain angle. Rotation can be clockwise or counterclockwise. Next. Dilatation is a transformation that changes the size of a shape using a scale factor. If the scale factor is greater than, than 1, the shape becomes larger. If it's less than 1, the shape becomes smaller. Next. Oke, selanjutnya saya serahkan ke Aca.
Okay, next topic, similarity and congruence. Okay, similarity and congruence may look similar, but they are actually different. So what the difference? Similarity focus on shape that have the same form, but different size. While congruence means the shape must have both the same form and the same size. Next. Okay, so similar plane figure. Two figure can be called similar if they meet two requirements. The corresponding angles must be equal. The rotation of the corresponding side must also be equal. Okay, in this example, we have this angle A, B, C, D, and PQRS. AB is 10 centimeter, while PQ is 5 centimeter. Then BC is 6 centimeter and QR is 3 centimeter. If we compare the 10 divided by 5 equally 2 and 6 divided by 3 also equal to. Since the addition are the same, the these two figures are considered similar. Next. Okay. Two similar three angles. If the three angles are similar, it means their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides have the same. Is the example triangle ABC and is similar to triangle PQR. AB corresponds to PQ, BC corresponds to QR, and AC corresponds to PR. Since the corresponding sides have equal region, these two triangles are considered similar triangle. Next. Okay. Next to congruent plane figure. Congruent figure also figure that have actually the same shape and size. So even if one figure is moved, rotated, or reflected, both figure will still perfectly overlap. Um, in this figure, there are two quadrilateral, namely ABCD and PQRS, both figures have to have the same shape and size, therefore they are congruent figure. Next. Okay. Next materi Cartesian coordinates. The next. Okay. The Pythagoras theorem is no. The Cartesian coordinates. Coordinates are a system used to determine the position of a point using an ordered pair x, y. The system consists of two x, the horizontal x-axis and the vertical y-axis. Both axes intersect at the center point called the origin with coordinates 0, 0. The coordinate plane divided into four constant called quadrant. Quadrant 1 has positive x and positive y value. Quadrant 2 has negative x and positive y value. Quadrant 3 has negative x and negative y value. And quadrant 4 has positive x and negative y value. So positive and negative sign determine the position of point the coordinate plane. Next. Langsung next ya. Okay. Last materi. Last topic Pythagorean theorem. Next. The Pythagorean theorem is one the fundamental concept in geometry used in right triangle to determine the length of an unknown side. A right triangle is a triangle that has 190-degree angle. In this triangle, three, three, three are three sides, two lengths, and one certain side called the hypotenuse. In the figure, side A and B display the length, while side C displays the hypotenuse or the longest side. The relationship between their side is expressed by the formula h squared plus b squared equally c squared. This formula states that the sum of the square of the two lengths is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Next. Okay, in this picture, the height is 5 and the base is 12. To find the hypotenuse, we ask the Pythagoras formula. So 5 square plus 12 square equal PR square. The result is 169 and the square root of 169 is 13. 13. Therefore, the length of the hypotenuse is 13 units. Next.
One for Okay, everyone. Now we will continue to the quiz session. If you would like the answer, please raise your hand first. Then you will be give a chance to answer the question. Let's then move on to the first question. Next. Determining of the length of side, the perimeter of a square is side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4. Since as sides are equal, the perimeter of the square equal 4 times the sides. Its perimeter is 72 centimeters. What is the length of its side? Okay. Zalfa Zafira, silakan.
Okay, the answer is C, 18 centimeter. The formula 72 divided by 4 and the quotient is 18 centimeter. Yeah, C.
Okay, next slide. Yes, that's correct. Next question. A cube has each length of 3 centimeter. What is the volume of the cube? Nadia Getruda, go ahead.
Okay, the answer is A, 27 centimeter cube.
Slide. The correct. Okay. Next slide. Next question. Question 3. A piece of length is shaped like right triangle. The length of a hypotenuse is 35 meter and the length of base 21 meters. What is the height of triangle? Go everyone. Okay, Novitri Malinda, go ahead.
Thank you, Bella. My answer is B, 28 meter.
Next slide. Yes, it's correct. Thank you everyone. Saya kembalikan kepada Masya Permata.
Okay, geometry is a branch of mathematical that study hypothesis, position, and relationship between objects in space. In this presentation, we'll learn about the basic element of geometry such as point, line, planes, and angles, as well as different types of plane and solid figure. We also study geometry transportation, similarity, congruence, Cartesian coordinates, and the Pythagorean theorem. By understanding geometry, we can solve many problems related to measurement, shape, ar- area, perimeter, volume, volume, volume and position in everyday life. Therefore, geometry is not only important in mathematics, but also useful in science, engineering, architecture, and daily activities. Okay, next. Okay, okay, next. Okay. All right. Now we will continue to the Q&A session. For anyone who would like to ask a question, please raise your hand first, and later you will be given the opportunity to speak. Okay. Okay, Zilva Zafira.
Okay. Can you guys explain why points, lines, and planes are called abstract concept in geometry? And what is the impact if we have to define all three absolutely? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Zilva Zafira.
Okay, this answer straight away, okay, Zalfa Zafira. My answer is point, lines, and
Hello, Nasha. I can't hear your voice.
Zalfa, I answer your question.
Okay, Shiva.
My answer is point line, and plans are quite abstract concept in geometry because they cannot be perfectly represented in the real world. One, a point only shows a position uh, and has no long width or height. And two, a line has infinite length but no width. And the last, a plane has long and width but no thickness. So this ideas cannot physically exist actually as described, so they are considered abstract concepts. So, uh, How to answer now? Zalfa?
Yes. Shiva, thank you.
You're
Okay, thank you, Zalfa Zafira. Let's continue. Nadia Getruida.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. So last math group 8 explained about the plane geometry, right? And now you guys explain about the space geometry. So I wonder, does the formula of space geometry come from the formula of plane geometry? Please explain the relationship between them. Thank you.
Okay, just answer straight right that way. Okay, good.
Why Bella?
Aku langsung jawab boleh nggak?
Oh yes, sure.
Okay. Solid geometry formula come from the development of plane geometry concept because solid figures are formed from flat shape. For example, a cup is made of square and a cylinder come from circle. So the volume formula is obtained from the base area multiplied by the height, while the surface area come from the sum of all flat base area. Therefore, solid geometry and plane geometry area very closely related. You can speak. Say.
Okay, I got it. Thank you, Bella.
Another.
Okay.
So it's clear, yeah, that two-dimensional figures consist of two-dimensional figures. As we can see, the components of 3D shapes. We know there are several forms of two-dimensional shapes. Okay, please continue.
Okay, the last question. Kansa sabi Gumay.
Okay, thank you for the change. My name is Sabita Gumay, and I want to ask, how can geometric transformations be used in computer graphics, animation, or game development? Is it clear?
Okay. I will answer straight away. Okay. Geometric transformation can be used in computer graphic, animation, and game development to change the position, size, direction, or shape of object. For example, translation, move an object from one position to another. The translation turn an object around a point or axis. Reflection, character or mirror image of an object. Dilation, enlarge or reduce the size of an object. In computer graphics, they are also used to create realities, visual effect, and 3D models. How is it answered? Kansa Sabita.
Okay, I understand now. Thank you, Nasha.
Okay, thank you. All right. Since the Q&A session has ended, today's presentation has officially come to an end. Thank you to presenter and anyone who listened, participated during the presentation. That is all from us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, please give applause to the presenting team. Good job. Thank you for preparing the presentation. Good job, team. I only have small notes regarding how to pronounce triangle. So you should say triangle, not angel, because angel means malaikat ya. Kalau triangle itu segitiga. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. We can close the meeting today. Thank you so much for your active participation and see you next week. Okay, Assalamualaikum.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.